Hey there, Marcus here. I just wanted to make this quick video for you that if you possible have the issue with the Midea Smart Inverter window AC that you just got it bodied and it's not working, I maybe just found the answer if you're gonna have the EC07 like problem. So there was this comment that we were getting this error code branding out of the box. We noticed the fans wasn't spinning. We took out the tube off and saw at the top the sticky black material around pipes near the fan blades. The blades were hitting this and unable to kick on. We took the material underneath and now the fans kick now on and we stopped getting the error code. And even here is the video. Also, the person got EC07, couldn't figure out what it was when it came here for answer. Other people have said there was a black go around the coils on blade of the fan. This is the go I found inside of the bottom of the unit blocking the fan blades. Look at this. So what you want to do is just take the top off and look there when there are going to be the fans, of course, like turn it off. And when there are going to be the fans, and just look if there is some kind of like blockage for it. And possibly it's going to fix the issue. I just want to make this like, I know it's a text comment, I'm not actually showing the product, but I don't want to like research and watch you like hundreds of videos and not fixing the issue, because just take the top off, look for the blades, if there is some kind of like the black thing that I showed you in the video, and then it's going to possibly fix the issue for you. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.